Like other rules and regulations, the NEET Dress Code 2021 will be strictly implemented on all aspirants, both for males and females. The dress code guides the aspirants about the kind of clothing, footwear, and other items to be worn on the day of the medical entrance exam. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, NTA has added two major items to the NEET dress code, which are mask and gloves. Candidates must make sure they do not have anything prohibited with themselves while entering the exam center. NEET dress code for female candidates. Female candidates are advised not to wear clothes that have brooches, elaborate embroidery, flowers, and buttons, as this is prohibited in the NEET exam center. It is best to avoid wearing any kind of jewelry like earrings, nose ring, rings, pendant, necklaces, bracelet, and anklets. Metal detector may cause an unnecessary hazards if the metal is found on the person. Female candidates must avoid high heels and thick sole shoes, and instead of this wear slippers and sandals of low heels. Female candidates must wear a mask and gloves as per COVID-19 safety guidelines set by the authorities. Now, NEET dress code for male candidates. As per the NEET dress code, male candidates should ensure that they wear half-sleeve shirts, t-shirts, as full-sleeve shirts are not allowed on the day of the examination. Clothes worn by male candidates should be light, that is pockets, big buttons, and clothes with elaborate embroidery should not be there. Trousers and simple pants are a preferred NEET dress code 2021 for male candidates. Kurta pajama is not allowed. Shoes are strictly prohibited inside the examination hall. It is advisable that candidates wear sandals and slippers with a thin sole. As per the COVID-19 safety guidelines, candidates must wear a mask and gloves. Candidates who follow a certain religion that prescribes a customary dress can appear for NEET 2021 in their customary dress. As per the Delhi High Court order, Sikh candidates will be allowed to carry traditional kangha, kada, kripan with them. Female candidates are also allowed to wear burqa. The candidates must report it at least an hour before the reporting time who wear customary dress. It is advised to follow it and avoid an unnecessary hassle. NEET will conduct in pen paper mode on September 12. Hope this video will helpful for you. Thank you.